Hello fellow filmmakers. In this video we'll talk about why and how you add sound effects to your videos. First we'll start with why to add sound effects. Sound effects are not often used on YouTube videos but are extremely common on big budget movies, commercial and TV shows. And that's where a Foley artist comes into play. A Foley artist is a person who recreates sounds for film, video, and other media in post-production to enhance audio quality. They replace sound that were not optimally recorded on set or needed to add sounds not made during filming. Some examples you might think of is breaking a celery stick for broken bones during a fight scene, or mimicking walking using shoes on different props or surfaces. Most animated videos have sound effects added because there's no original sound to use. Here is an example of a project I did without sound. You notice that it feels like something is wrong or less believable. Sometimes we don't completely understand what is happening without the addition of sound. Here's the same video with added sound effects. You will notice the video is more entertaining with added sound. To add sound effects to your video, you need to have an editor that allows for multiple audio layers. This is because you will need to put the sound effects under the audio that already exists. Each editing software is different, but the idea is similar if the software has multiple audio layers. Just add the sound, and you often need to overlap them to make exactly what you want. Some editing apps like iMovie have a special layer just for adding sound effects. You can get sound effects online at websites like AudioBlocks or make your own. I usually use sound effects libraries online and pay for membership, or occasionally find ones that allow free use. Some editors such as iMovie have a built-in library of sound effects. This is the basics of sound effects for video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Now get out there and make some more videos.